We'll guide you through how to change the camera view in Blender so you can create the perfect perspective for your project. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're in the Layout workspace. This is where you'll see the 3D viewport. To change the camera view, you need to select the camera first. You can do this by going to the Outliner panel on the top right of the screen and clicking on the camera icon. Once the camera is selected, press 0 on your numpad to switch to the camera view. This will give you the perspective that the camera currently sees. If your keyboard doesn't have a numpad, you can go to the View menu at the bottom of the 3D viewport, hover over Cameras, and then select Active Camera. Now, to adjust the camera's position, you can enter the camera's view by pressing 0 again, and then pressing N to open the right side toolbar in the 3D viewport. Under the View tab, ensure that Lock Camera to View is checked. This allows you to move the camera as if you were navigating in the 3D viewport. Now you can use the middle mouse button to orbit, Shift and middle mouse to pan, and the scroll wheel to zoom to adjust the camera's position and angle. Once you're satisfied with the new camera view, you can lock it in place by unchecking the Lock Camera to View option. Remember, you can also manually adjust the camera by selecting it and using the G key for grab, R for rotate, and S for scale, just like any other object in Blender. These shortcuts give you more control if you need precise adjustments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.